Hi. Welcome. Here is my second math video of 4 and we are going to continue to do some simple math, to count, to add and subtract. I am going to use simple cards as before and ask for your help to find the answers. Let's get started. The minus sign is for subtraction. Subtraction is taking away or removing from a group to find out how many are left. For this example, in a marina there are 5 boats and 2 leave to go sailing. How many boats do we have left? Correct, we have 3 boats left. Let's now solve the new problem. In here we have 9 party hats, and if we remove 3 party hats, how many do we have left? Here are some answers. Which one is correct? Absolutely. We are left with 6 party hats. Let's evaluate this card. We have 10 socks in a drawer. If we remove 0 socks, how many socks do we have left? Here are some possible answers. Yes. We have 10 socks as originally. We removed 0 socks, no socks were removed. So every time you subtract with 0, nothing changes. Now we have the plus sign. With plus sign we add one group to the other and see how many we have in total. We have 5 snails plus 2 snails. How many snails we have in total? Here are some choices. Perfect. 7 is the answer. I left that out in the beginning on purpose to test you. How many rainbows do we have on this card? Here are some choices. That's right, we have 6 rainbows. How many chicks do we have here? Here are some choices. Eight, good job. And here. How many paintbrushes do we have? Here are some choices. We have 10 brushes. All done, great job. Please like and subscribe.